Hi, my name is Philip Van Dyke, and I am the Regional Manager for Going Green Tax Experts. And what I'm going to do is take the next few minutes and answer some of the more common questions that our company receives. Number one is, who are we? What is our company about? Well, Going Green Tax Experts, we are one of 5 accounting firms nationwide that specializes in solar tax incentives, and we are one of only 2 accounting firms that work directly with residential homeowners. So what this means is we work with homeowners nationwide, and our parent company, we have been in business for over 13 years. We are accredited and hold an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have focused solely on helping homeowners maximize the benefits available to them for well over a decade now. Number 2 is, how did we get your information? Well, in most states, we are provided that information directly by the county. And how this works is when the permits get filed with the county for the solar panel equipment to be installed, that information is forwarded to us so that we can reach out, schedule an appointment to go over and make sure that you are aware of all of the tax benefits that you personally are eligible for. So this leads right into the third question, which is, why is this consultation provided? Why is it so important? Well, the reason that this session is provided is we see the average homeowner is missing 4 tax incentives for their solar panel equipment, meaning that they will go ahead and they will claim that large 30% federal tax credit. Almost everyone is aware of that, but what most people don't know is that right now the database of incentives for renewable energy shows us that there are anywhere from 40 to over 250 policies and incentives on solar panel systems and clean energy production. So what we do is we go through and we do an analysis of your system against all of those tax incentives. And this creates a situation where we're often able to find 3 to 4 additional incentives that the homeowner was unaware of, and it averages getting them back $6,000 more than they were anticipating on their taxes. In fact, in about 25% of cases, we are able to help them write off 60 to 85% of the total system purchase price. Now, if we're providing this consultation and there is no cost for it, how do we make money? The time for the consultation, it is covered. There is never any charge to you for the analysis for that session. And since the time for the session is covered, the only cost that you can incur is filing fees for the forms themselves. Now, if you are only claiming that 30% federal credit, there is no charge. You can do that on your own. We'll answer any questions you have about it. We'll make sure that it's done properly, but you can take care of that and there's no cost. But if you do qualify for additional incentives, there will often be forms, documents, schedules that need to be prepared and filed in order to claim them. So assuming you qualify, the expert that you speak with, they will discuss the amounts you can expect to receive from those benefits. They will cover the exact forms and schedules that are required to claim them, and then they will go over the additional filing fees for those forms. I can tell you that the average filing fee is about $100 per form or schedule, but remember, you will only want to file these forms if you're going to be gaining several $1,000s in additional incentives from doing so. So the expert will give you all of the information you need to make an informed decision about whether or not this is something that will benefit you. Now lastly, what do we need from you? Well, first, I like to clarify, you will continue to file your personal taxes just as you always have, meaning if you have a good tax preparer, a good CPA, we encourage you to continue working with them. If you file taxes yourself using online software, that is fine as well. And because we're not going to be filing your taxes or doing your personal income taxes, we don't need any of your personal information. We're not going to ask for your social security number, your personal income, nothing like that. We focus solely on your solar panel equipment. So typically, we already have most of the information we require. However, we do like to verify it with you and make sure that we're giving you the most accurate information possible. So at the time of the appointment, the few things that we ask for you to have on hand that we'll want to verify. Okay, number one is the full purchase price for the system. Number two is the interest rate and term, if you have financed. Number three is the approximate date the system was installed. Number four is the approximate date the system went live or turned on. And number five is who your local power provider is. That, along with all of the other information we've already been provided from the permits and licenses filed with the county that was provided to us, we can now do our assessment and give you all the information that you need. So we do look forward to helping you, and there is nothing to lose from the consultation. It is free. You have everything to gain. Please give us a call, contact us, and we'll schedule the appointment at your earliest convenience, and we'll help you in any way that we can. Thank you.